Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to stream a pre-recorded video on Facebook Live. First, make sure you have the pre-recorded video ready on your computer. Open your browser and log in to your Facebook account. On your Facebook homepage, click on Live Video in the Create Post section. This will take you to the Live Producer page. In the Live Producer, select the Use Stream Key option from the Setup menu. Facebook will generate a unique stream key that you will use to connect your video. Copy this key and keep it handy. Next, download and install a streaming software if you don't already have one. OBS Studio is a free and popular choice. Open OBS Studio and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Stream tab. Choose Facebook Live as the service, then paste the stream key you copied earlier into the stream key field. Click Apply and then OK. Now go back to the OBS main screen and click on the plus icon under Sources. Select Media Source and name it. Click Browse and choose your pre-recorded video file from your computer. Make sure to check the box for Loop if you want the video to repeat. Click OK. To start streaming, click on Start Streaming in OBS. Go back to the Live Producer page on Facebook and wait for the video preview to load. Once the preview is ready, add a title and description for your live stream. When everything looks good, click on Go Live to start streaming your pre-recorded video on Facebook Live. That's how you stream a pre-recorded video on Facebook Live. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.